welcome to How I Spent the Apocalypse. Lynn went away for the day edition.
Actually, this is probably the end of the other day when I was here, but there you go. This is awesome.
This is a table. I took the old table that Stephen's aunt used to have. I cut it down to the length I wanted it. This is a branch off the old crepe myrtle that got damaged during the polar vortex.
Yep.
That I shaved down and cut to fit in there. Now we have a nice sturdy little table
That
right
is
there.
beautiful.
I put a board across the end that went all the way down so that I could tie the ends in here.
Let me see.
See the brad nails?
I will when you move your hand.
Okay.
There you go. Oh, I see. The
Okay,
brad
and
nails
see
are
it's tied into that whole board, and then I've got it screwed in with screws this long all the way across the
Inch
back.
and a half.
And as you can see,
Oh my goodness,
you can set on it, you can do it, or whatever.
That is hell for
so that's
stout.
one thing I did. Here was my bigger project for the day. I built the urinal.
Oh, how cool!
Oh, and I built the table.
Oh, the table.
I had
That is
taken the
nice.
table. Lynn's mother threw this table away because it used to have a marble top. One of these things is broken. I'll show you the jerry-rig mess I did to fix that. Okay, so I took it and I spray painted it white. I didn't spray paint it really good because I didn't want to. I
No,
wanted
kind of
it
an
to look-
antique-y look thing.
Yeah. And then I got a piece of 2x12 that I had laying around.
To replace
and
the marble
I cut
with,
it
yeah.
down and I cut it the size I wanted, and now it's right here. And I'm probably going to attach the back legs to either the floor or the wall.
Yeah, because this is where we're going to put a TV if we put a TV.
Yeah, we may put a TV on that. Okay, so I had three places to screw, but then if you can show underneath, the other place I didn't. So as you can see, that is liquid nails, and
yes.
it's tacked.
Tacked, I see that. Yeah, because
It's not tacked,
the thing
it's,
is broken.
Stapled. It's stapled to the thing. So.
That thing that used to be there is broken. So
Yeah, so that's what I did to fix that.
that is neat.
Okay, but this was the main project today. Well, there's lots of things. Okay, so this box actually has a story, as do
The box
many of
that's
the
next to it.
This box, Phyllis Devashi, when I was a kid, probably 73, she was in my dad's beauty shop and she got a box from the post office and she opened it there. It was from her son John, who was in the Vietnam War. Okay, so she threw the box away. So I grabbed it. For years, you can't see it, but on the back side is where I drew shoes and shit on the side. I did that when I was however old I was when it was 1973. Okay, so I did all that. I kept this. Hell, my socks were in it up till a few years ago.
Yes, they were.
Okay, so I used to keep my socks in it after that, but I kept my shoes in it when I was a kid. And it was my shoe box, and it was cool. I thought it was cool because it came from Vietnam. You can still see some of the writing on it that it came with. But at any rate, so I had it up in the attic, and I meant to use it here. Because what I'm going to use it for is I'm going to use it for a nice little end table kind of thing.
Right.
And storage and stuff. And so I just took it, and glued it, and screwed it to the wall.
Right.
Glued it and screwed it.
There you go. Screwed.
But at any rate,
screwed,
John did not come back from the war. John was killed in Vietnam.
Oh.
So after he was killed, it really meant a lot to me. I've kept it ever since, and now it's in the treehouse. Okay, so what is this, Michigas? Remember, I started this the other day.
Yes, you did.
This is the urinal. This is
The funnel.
a huge funnel for taking the oil out of your car.
Right.
It's for like transferring. Okay, and I've got it plumbed to go out. If you'll come over here, you can see I've left this side open because I'm going to use that side to put a little waste can in. And
for trash.
for the trash, because you can't put trash
Right,
down
you can't
this.
put trash down
You
it.
can't put toilet paper down this.
No.
So there'll be a trash can there, and it'll also be a place to store toilet paper. But you
idea.
can see it just goes out. You can see the light coming through. You won't see that because when I get the elbow on and get it out, it'll go.
Yeah.
Okay, so and I made this all smooth so that it won't pinch your little butt. Okay, so I have to put it right back up again because it's drying. At any rate, I made that box, and then there's the chair I made the other day.
Awesome.
And it works really well, actually.
I'll bet
It's
it
a
does.
nice chair.
Nice, comfy chair.
It's a nice, comfy chair for up here. Plus, when you lift it, it's a urinal.
Go pee so you don't have to get up in the middle of the night and walk down the stairs.
Now because I don't want
no
the glue to set and do it close. Okay, so that's one of the things I did today.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I put in some more trim boards. I trimmed this off here and the front of this.
Now see, I hadn't seen those little shelves finished, so that's neat.
No, that's
no, I hadn't seen them finished. I saw the first shelf go in.
Well, okay. Well, those have been there for a while.
I know.
But I did all the trim boards down here.
And you put all the trim around there so you can pour the concrete.
Okay, so then I did this, which I talked about doing.
Yes.
It turned out to be a huge, total pain in the ass.
But how cool.
Because I couldn't use my staples. They blew right through the tin.
Of course they did.
Well, they shouldn't have, but they did. So, at any rate, and then I put this board here, but this is all going to be poured in concrete.
Right.
So it'll come up to here. This will be, I'll put chicken wire down and then I'll pour a concrete top on here.
Mm-hmm.
And
yes, she's going to pour it over the sink.
I'm going to pour it over the sink and kind of try to get it to come down so that when stuff gets spilled, it runs into the sink.
Yeah, what a concept.
Instead of going under the sink. So that was the idea there. I'm going to kind of slant it down to this ledge here, you know, so that if you spill water, it goes right into the sink. This will eventually attach there somehow so that you can put it in either sink. Okay, this was the shelf I did the other day.
Yep,
I'm getting ready to put a coat of polyurethane on it. Then I'm quitting for the day because I'm tired.
Now I want to see this door because I haven't seen it yet either.
Oh. I didn't do it today. I did it yesterday.
But I didn't get a film on this yesterday.
Yeah.
And this was after I was up here yesterday. That looks great. Now they're completely done.
Okay, and I didn't buy enough of those hinges, and so I had to go buy one.
Right.
And I literally paid more for that one hinge, like I told you, than I did for all the other ones. And guess what? I found a hinge just like it.
Of course you did.
In one of my boxes somewhere the other day. And I'm like, the minute I bought one.
Of course you did.
But there you go. And then the refrigerator will go here.
Yeah, the refrigerator's going down in that hole.
Yeah.
We're not buying it. It was in my classroom. And we've had
That's where we got the microwave from too.
Yeah, it was in my classroom as well. So.
And it turns out that it's low voltage enough for this, for our electric system.
For this electric system. That's great.
Yeah, so our son the genius, I wrote him last night and told him what the volts were, and he's like, "Oh yeah, that'll work perfect." So there you go. And I got some poly here, and I'm just going to hit this shelf and this stump. And then I'm quitting for the day after that. I'm tired.
No.
I'm quitting.
Well, say goodbye then, and I'll end the video with this.
Bye!